Welcome to the latest edition of Oncology Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by LucidQuest. Pfizer Canada announced that BRAFTOVI, or encorafenib, will be funded under Ontario's FAST program for patients with BRAF V600E mutant metastatic colorectal cancer. Ontario becomes the first province to fund the therapy for this indication, following a positive CDA-AMC recommendation, potentially supporting broader access and treatment adoption. Baywan Medicines reported positive reimbursement recommendations from CDA-AMC and INES for TEVIMBRA, or tislelizumab, in combination with gemcitabine and cisplatin for first-line recurrent or metastatic nasopharyngeal carcinoma. The recommendations were supported by findings from the Phase 3 Rationale 309 study. AstraZeneca received FDA approval for Imfinzi, or durvalumab, in combination with BCG for adults with BCG-naive, high-risk, non-muscle invasive bladder cancer. The approval was based on results from the Phase 3 Potomac trial, which demonstrated a reduction in the risk of high-risk recurrence, progression, or death compared with BCG alone. Cogent Biosciences announced that the FDA accepted the NDA for bezuclastinib plus sunitinib in patients with gastrointestinal stromal tumor following prior imatinib treatment. The application received priority review with a PDUFA target action date of 30 November 2026. PharmaMar reported European Commission approval of Zepzelca, or lurbinectedin, in combination with atezolizumab as first-line maintenance therapy for extensive-stage small cell lung cancer. The approval was supported by Phase 3 IMforte data, demonstrating improved progression and survival outcomes compared with atezolizumab alone. Roche announced FDA acceptance and priority review of the NDA for giredestrant as adjuvant treatment for ER-positive, HER2-negative stage 1 to 3 breast cancer. The application is supported by results from the Phase 3 lidERA breast cancer trial, and a PDUFA decision is expected by 30 November 2026. Amgen received European Commission approval for IMDYLLTRA, or tarlatamab, as monotherapy for adults with extensive-stage small cell lung cancer who require systemic therapy after progression on or after platinum-based chemotherapy. The approval was supported by findings from the Phase 3 Delphi 304 study. Foundation Medicine announced FDA approval for tissue and blood testing designed to support therapy selection in metastatic castration-resistant prostate cancer. The companion diagnostic approach is intended to help identify eligible patients for targeted treatment pathways and may expand precision oncology testing efforts. Stay ahead in oncology research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.